What do we got? Yes, sir, we do. Fun in a box. Oh, yeah. So we take this stuff and a pack of this stuff. Mix them together until gray, and magic happens. Hey gang, welcome back. We are back out having some West Coasty fun once again in the drizzle on Vancouver Island. And this time, well, more SKS in honor of the government that wants to take them away from us. This won't be a rant. Well, yeah, it could come up. But look at what we're doing today. Yeah, Tannerite. Half-pound jars. Cabela's has a sale on. Actually, it ended last weekend. Sorry for the teaser. I should have done this earlier. But I've never shot this stuff before, so we bought a case because it was on sale. Invented by a fellow named Tanner in Oregon. So West Coasty as can be. And I am going to, the stuff only explodes if it's struck by something going more than 2,000 feet per second. So presumably my SKS at 100 yards should still be going over 2,000 feet per second. The 7.62 by 39. So we're going to find out because that's what I'm going to shoot it with, or I'm going to try to. But I'll tell you what, this thing looks pretty small at 100 meters away. But I'm going to use a stump over here as a rest, and we're going to give it a try. Right?
Yeah. Should
Yeah.
be fun.
Fun. Let's try it. I don't know. Can you even see that? Where is it? That little orange dot on that big stump. That's it. Let's give it a try. Okay. Fun! Thanks for coming, guys. Subscribe.
Cool.